Hello, it's Alex from Barn Cars in Brentwood. Here we've got a 2017 Ford Edge. It's the 2-litre Sport Power Shift. This car has got a low mileage of 40,000 miles and it's had a recent MOT. This car is diesel, automatic and ULEZ compliant. This car has got a lot of extras, so it's the Rare Luxe Pack. It's got park assist, front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass, alloy wheels. It has a reversing camera. It also has heated seats and air-cooled seats. It also has rear heated seats. It has a multifunction leather steering wheel, electric sunroof. It has half leather, half suede interior. It also has electric seats, electric tailgate and Sony sound system, amongst other things. If you'd like to finance this vehicle, we do have a finance calculator on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can get you a quote over the telephone. Now, of course, part exchanges are welcome, so please do inquire. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.